If you're looking to create your next trending Solana meme coin on the Solana blockchain, such as Bonk or Dogwifat, it makes sense to use a tool such as the Solana token generator to speed up the token creation process, which is why you've turned to this guide. Step 1. Go to my CryptoView Solana token generator via the link in this video description. Step 2. Click on the Connect button on my CryptoView Solana token generator. Step 3. Input your meme coin token name, token symbol, token decimal, token supply, and optionally, token description. Step 4. Upload your logo or provide a link to your logo if you got one and wait for your logo metadata to be created successfully. You can make your token immutable, revoke mint, and revoke freeze if needed. Step 5. Click the Create button, confirm your transaction, and wait for your token creation to be successful. Once your token has been created successfully, you will see a screen like the one in this video. Now that you know how to create a Solana meme coin, you can use our Solana token multisender to airdrop your meme coin to your community via the link provided in this video description. Subscribe for more crypto tools and educational crypto topics.